Installation video for Sunten Dental Unit STD307 Part 4. Cushion installation. Open the carton box of the cushion. Take out the components. Check according to packing list. Please notice that not to use a paper cutter to open the carton box. Otherwise you may damage leather products. Turn on the power. Move the main control lever to on position. Raise the dental chair. Raise the backrest. Use a cross screwdriver. Screw out 2 front protective shell fixing screws. Stuck into the interface of the left and right protective shell. Raise screw 2 front protective shell fixing screws and tighten them. Use inner hexagon wrench to screw out 4 pieces seat cushion fixing screws. Align 2 seat cushion brackets to mounting holes. Screw the fixing screws of seat cushion brackets and tighten them. Headrest, backrest seat cushion installation. Backrest fixing plate is equipped with fixing screws, take down for later use. Align the headrest to the mounting hole on the headrest cover. Press the headrest button. Flip headrest cover exposed mounting hole. Screw into the mounting screw and tighten it. Remove headrest holder temporarily from backrest fixing plate. Install the backrest. Insert 4 bayonets on the backrest into the snap on the backrest fixing plate. Push inward tightly to align backrest cushion with backrest fixing plate. Insert the headrest holder. Warning: do not exceed the limit line when sliding the headrest upward. Otherwise the headrest will fall down. Insert 2 bayonets at the bottom of the seat cushion into the patient chair fasteners. Push seat cushion inward tightly, so that 2 bayonets of the cushion completely stuck fasteners. If the bayonets cannot be stuck, adjust the height of the fasteners with a slotted screwdriver before mounting. Put 2 pieces seat cushion fixing screws through the mounting hole of the seat cushion bracket and tighten it. Place foot pad on the seat cushion bracket. Put 4 pieces fixing screws respectively through the cushion bracket. Push the foot pad to the seat cushion and tighten the screws. Cover shell installation. Buckles the left and right shells onto the cabinet. Push them upward and buckle with top shell. Use a cross screwdriver to screw in the shell fixing screws and tighten under the cabinet. Bottom cover buckle into the bottom plate and align it with bayonet. Take down the screws. Screw 4 fixing screws into fixing holes separately and tighten them with cross screwdriver. Buckle the front shell into the front of the bottom plate. Then put the reinforcement shell into the reinforcement plate. Dental unit installation is completed. The above is the installation instruction step 4 of Sunten STD307 dental unit. Thank you for watching.